Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing my Christmas nails. I really didn't know what to put on them, but I was really excited because Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design sent me these. I bought these, I think they were £5 plus shipping. There was another one in there as well, a green one, but I didn't use that one, so I used these two. It's like a white with iridescent bits in it, and this one is red with lots of different things. So I'll put those on my nails. So I've got that on the ring finger, the middle finger, and this is the red one. And then I've got Beetles gel polish on this one, and I've got some Smiley's glitter on the end of the finger there. That's the glitter sparkle one as well. And what I've done is, this was a bit of an experiment because I have encapsulated it all in this Model One's polygel. So that is a bit of a test for this. So yeah, I've done this hand. I'm now going to do this hand. I've already got the Beetles on these fingers, but I will put another coat on so that I can put glitter on it and things. So yeah, I will show you how I did it. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm using my iMaily base coat, and I'm just going to put that on the fingers that don't have the red polish on. Sorry, the nails that don't have the red polish on. And then I'm going to do an extra coat of the Beetles gel polish on the pinky finger and the index finger, because they're going to have the red glitters on. So I'm leaving that base coat wet so that I can just put the glitter straight onto there and I can press it in and then cure it. So I had to have this red polish on my nails at Christmas because I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. The few clients that I've had over Christmas have all wanted this gel polish, this red one, and I love it. It's so gorgeous. But I just thought if I used a little bit of that Smiley's red glitter as well, because that's holographic, and I just wanted that on the end of the pinky finger. And then I'm going to put the Glitter Sparkle Nail Design red one over the index finger like I've done on the other hand. And I really love that because it's got a bit of everything in it. It's just so Christmassy with all the red and green dots and things like that. It's gorgeous. So I really love this white glitter from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. It's really iridescent, so it's got some hollow shapes in it, like hollow stars and dots, and it's got it's like sort of green iridescent as well, so it goes really well with with this Christmas theme. I absolutely love it. There isn't a name on this because it was a Christmas collection. There was 4 of them in little pots and they didn't have names on, so I'm not sure what they're called, and I'm not sure if it's something that Vicky's going to do in the future and name it or something like that, but I think she should because it's gorgeous, and I don't think it's just for Christmas. I think you could wear this any time of the year. It's really pretty. So after I've got the glitter on all the nails that I want it on, I'm just going to go on with a clean up brush, and I'm just going to make sure that there's none on the skin and that there's none sort of sticking up out of the nail anywhere. So then when I'm happy with all the glitter and everything, I go in with another coat of the base coat and just sort of press that down onto the glitter, just to give it a bit more of a sticky base, because what I'm going to do on this hand, I'm going to use the Premier Gel to encapsulate all that glitter, and so I can do a bit of an experiment and see which is clearer and if it makes much difference using the Premier Gel or the Polygel, because I'd really love to use the Polygel for encapsulating glitter and things, but I don't know if it's going to dull it, so I can't tell yet because I've only just done the one hand in the Polygel, but we'll see at the end if there's any difference. So after all the Premier Gel is cured, I will come in and I'll wipe off the sticky residue, and then I'll file and buff, and then it's top coating time. Okay, so I'm going in with the top coat now, and this is the I'm Ailey top coat. And I absolutely love this top coat because it is really clear, it's really shiny, and it's easy to use. The consistency is really good as well. So after I've top coated all the nails, I am going to go in with a bit of decoration. They are gorgeous as they are, but I wanted to put some She Modern foils on, and I wanted to do a little bit of freehand as well, because I really wanted to use the Beatles green gel polish. So I'm gonna paint on a tree, a Christmas tree. But the red index finger with that glitter on, that's just going to stay as it is, and I'm going to put some She Modern white pigment in with some top coat. I'm going to mix that together, and then I'm going to do some like icicles coming down in white, and then I'm going to put some of the sheer white pigment with some top coat, and I'm going to put that over the top to make it shiny. So here they are, all top coated, and I just love those glitters. They are amazing. Vicky and Andy have their own YouTube channel, and they have a Facebook store where they sell these glitters, but you could DM her on Instagram as well to buy some of these glitters. She sells the glitters in 10-gram bags, and they are £2 a bag, so you're literally getting double, at least double, maybe 3 times more than you would get from the other glitter shops. So you do get a lot of glitter for your money, and she puts so much extra in there, you know, like all the shapes and everything, and they're just so different than other glitters you can get. They really do think about it, and there's so many different colours and everything. I just love the combinations that they use. So I'll put all links in the description box for where you can go to get them if you want them. So the She Modern foil arts that I'm using the holly leaves, the red glitter ones. I'm also using a red bauble. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the grip gel, which is used for the foils, on the nail, and then I'm curing that for 30 seconds, and then I've cut out the holly and I've soaked it in the water for, it only needs about 30 seconds, and I'm just bringing it out, making sure that it's on the kitchen paper and it's all dried out and there's no water left in there, and then I'm just placing it on the nail. And using the grip gel is good because if you use the glue gel or foil gel, wherever you stick it, it will just stay there and you can't move it, but with the grip gel you can actually move it around. So if you're not happy with where you've placed it, you can move it a little bit. So I find that really helpful. So yeah, I'm using that on the thumb, then I'm going to do the bauble on the middle finger, and then I'm going to go in with some freehand on the other hand. So I am putting top coat on after all these foils just to keep them in place. And then, yeah, like I said, with the white pigment, I am painting on some, I don't know whether they're supposed to be icicles or it's supposed to be snow. So yeah, I wanted it a little bit sparkly, so I put some of the white sparkling pigment on. This is the sheer pigment from She Modern, and it's brilliant because you can mix it with top coat, or you can just sprinkle it on for like a sugared effect, but I wanted it sort of encased in the gel. So when I'm doing the tree, I've already got a hollow star from that glitter right in the middle of the nail, so I just thought, well, I'll just paint down after that and do the tree. So it's not completely straight because the star isn't straight, but that's fine, it's quirky, it's fun, and I like that. So I'm just painting the outline on with the green, and then I'm filling it all in. This green is a Beatles gel polish from the Merry Christmas collection, the same as the red one. So I absolutely love this, and I had to use it somewhere, so I'm doing this tree. So I did 2 coats of this so that it'd stand out. And then when I was happy with it and I cured it and everything, I went in with some more of the white pigment mixed with the top coat. And I just painted some lines on the tree just to make it stand out a bit because it was getting a bit lost with all that glitter. just on its own with any white on it. And then yeah, I was really happy with the way that turned out. I thought it looked really good. And then when the bauble was on the middle hand, the She Modern foil, I was happy with that. I know I've left the ring fingers without any design on, but I just love the way that glitter looks, so I wanted them to just stand out on their own. So here they are, all finished. I absolutely love these nails. I'm so happy that I did this at Christmas and I put these glitters on. Because I've had clients and things over Christmas, I didn't think I'd get time to do my own nails, so I'm really pleased that I've done it. So yeah, I've got loads and loads of stuff to do now before Christmas, so I wanted to just get this video up there quickly, and I hope you liked it. I hope everybody has an amazing Christmas. Yeah, and I thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the new year. So yeah, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.